guys, and welcome back. It is another Makeup Mugs and More video. I haven't filmed one of these in forever, but it's basically just a get ready with me while I drink something from a mug, so usually tea or coffee. Today, I'm drinking from my new mug that my sister got me for my birthday. It's actually the mug that Ana de Armas's character uses in Knives Out. So she kind of like, well, it was originally Christopher Plummer's character's mug, and then she inherits it. And I've been wanting this mug forever, so my sister got it for me for my birthday. So I'm just drinking some coffee. I thought I would film a get ready with me. It is already past my birthday today. My birthday was on October 4th, but I just wanted to film a get ready with me. It's a Thanksgiving long weekend, so Canadian Thanksgiving's long weekend. I'm going to be going to our family cottage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with priming my skin. I'm using the Soft Focus Glow from Milani. I'm just trying to finish this up as usual. And I know it's like fall already. It still feels like summer here. It's so weird. The days are so short now, but the weather is so hot still. Like we're in 25 degrees and it's October, which is unheard of. So I'm still kind of in the summer makeup mode at the moment. This primer, or whatever it is, I just use it as a primer, but it's just really like a base for your makeup, and it gives me a very nice, glowy, bronzy complexion to work with. I have a lovely breakout going on right now. I don't know what's going on here. So I got a nice little breakout right under my nose, and I have like a pimple here that's been there for ages. This year I turned 29, which is crazy to think about. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Concealer in the shade Light 50W. It's so crazy to think that next year I'm going to turn 30. I actually feel okay though. Like I was really sad when I was turning 29 because it just felt like the last year of my 20s. But I think that it wasn't as bad as I thought. Like it wasn't as sad as I thought it was going to be for turning 29. I definitely thought I would be more upset, but I was okay. I didn't mind it. I was able to go out for my birthday, which was really fun, and I feel like I haven't had a big birthday in a while because of the pandemic and everything, but it was really fun to like go out again and just enjoy seeing friends and hanging out with friends. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do for coverage. I think I mentioned it so many times, but I'm just I just don't really care about my complexion these days. Well, I do, but I don't care about covering it up. So pretty much all I've been doing is applying like a primer, if at all, and concealer, and then just letting my skin shine through. For bronzer, I'm using the LA Girl Suede bronzer stick. And it could just be because I'm in like summer mode still in terms of makeup, and I don't really wear a ton of makeup at all in the summer months. So that could possibly be why. Yeah, it's just been so strange to have such hot weather so late into the fall. Usually we still get kind of nice Septembers, but then we don't really get, well, we do get nice Octobers, but it's colder. It's more like 15, 14 degrees and not 25. So it's weird that it's so warm. Well, I guess it's not weird. It's global warming. But it is just a strange feeling. I want to wear fall clothes and sweaters and, warmer outfits, but you just can't because it's still so hot. What I think I'm going to use for blush is the NYX Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint in the shade Almost Famous. I was actually thinking of being Penny Lane for Halloween this year. I want to do a costume with Kevin and Lila. And Lila's a golden retriever, and I was thinking we could do something like Top Gun. That would be pretty easy if one of us is Rooster, one of us is Maverick. It would just be an easier costume, and then Lila could just wear the aviator sunglasses for the photo. But I don't know, I have to like think of more ideas. I also think it would be fun to be like Shaggy, Velma, and Scooby. Well, obviously Lila would be Scooby. Or we could be Sesame Street characters. I don't know, I have to kind of think. I'm not really doing anything for Halloween this year. Well, like any year, I don't really do much. I love Halloween so much, and then I end up doing nothing for it. Kevin, Lila, and I will probably go to a pumpkin patch and a corn maze like we did last year, and just take pictures in our costumes, and that's pretty much it. I live in an apartment too, and nobody comes to my door. Like, no kids come trick-or-treating. It's kind of sad. I remember the first year I moved into this apartment, I bought chocolate because I thought that kids would come, kids that live in the building, but no kids came, and I ended up eating all the chocolate myself. Also, my hair is kind of frizzy because I just showered this morning and it air dried, and it always gets frizzy when I air dry my hair. I don't know how to fix that. I am trying to get a good hair oil to apply like when my hair is towel drying, but I just haven't picked one up yet. Do you have any tips for avoiding like the frizz after you wet your hair? Let me know. I'm using my Super Stay powder from Maybelline. It's in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I've been using this powder lately whenever I wear makeup, not for really any reason in particular, but just because I'm trying to finish it up. It's really mattifying though, so if you like more glowy skin, this probably wouldn't be the powder for you. But if you have combination or oilier skin, this one is pretty good. And I'm just going to spritz my face with the NYX Bear With Me Setting Spray. I feel like I haven't filmed videos in forever, or at least not me putting on makeup, and yet my like routine is the exact same. So this is probably not very exciting to any of you, but I'm just going to let this dry. I'm going to do my brows off camera and then I'll be right back. I'm back. I finished my brows and I also applied some eye primer on. I used the Milani eyeshadow primer, which I love. It really keeps my eyeshadow on for long periods of time because, like I said, I'm just going to the family cottage soon. I don't want to do like a really lot of makeup, so I'm just going to use my eyeliner from Maybelline. It's in a brown shade, and I'm going to use that under my eye. I had a really good year. I don't know if I was just anticipating I would have a really great year, or if it's because, like, I don't know if just because people told me that 28 was like one of the best years of their lives. I don't know why, but I loved being 28. I had such a good year. There's a lot of, hard things to go through as well, but I just really enjoyed it looking back at the past year. There's just so many good things that happened, and I just had a good time. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Eman times Catrice, or Catrice times Eman eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this one in a while, but I pulled it out for the fall months. I'm going to take the dark brown shade, which is called Sweetser, which is that one right there. It's just this matte brown. I'm going to use this under my eyes just to go over the eyeliner. I know I took such a big break off YouTube. I just was really struggling to edit and post, and also film, actually. I struggled a lot trying to get like the motivation to film. Like, there would be nights when I'm like, okay, I'm going to film today, and then I would end up just like lying on my couch and not getting up or filming at all, and it was such a waste because it was like one of the free nights that I had. So I don't know if it was just tired, just needed a break from editing, posting, filming. I don't know, but I had to kind of take some time off YouTube and just not post as much, which I am sorry about for leaving you guys, for not posting and not really like explaining why I was taking a break. But I'm hopefully going to be back now in a more consistent way and posting more frequently. I'm going to take the shade Sunset, which is this matte brown shade. I think hopefully for the fall I'm going to be posting more frequently. I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but I am probably going to try and just do one video a week, because I think if I overdo it and I start posting or filming too much, I just lose the motivation to edit at all, and then I might go through another break. So I think it's better for me to just take it slow and do less. And I think too, it was kind of nice to take a little bit of a step back from YouTube this year, because I could really focus on the important things in my personal life. I was able to spend a lot of time with my boyfriend. I could spend more time with friends and family, and it was just kind of nice to take a step back from social media sometimes, even though I would have loved to have been able to post more on YouTube, because I really do love it. It's just kind of nice to be able to take a step back. I'm going to take the shade, I think I'm going to take the shade Sweetser again and use it with a slightly fluffier brush on my upper lid. The last year has been really, really awesome, and I'm excited for 29. Actually, I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to see. I'm just taking a clean, well, not a clean, but I'm taking a brush with no more shadow on it. I'm just going to blend that out. But I'm looking forward to see what the next year will bring. I also just love fall. There's Canadian Thanksgivings, leaves are changing, you can wear sweaters, well, not for me right now, but hopefully we can wear sweaters soon. There are pumpkins, and it's just such a nice time of the year. I really do love it. Every time fall comes back around, I remember how much I love it. Definitely my favorite seasons are fall and spring. Okay, so I think that's it for shadow. Kind of boring. Maybe I should add some glitter. Yeah, why don't I just add a little bit of shimmer to it. I want to take the shade Malibu, which is this kind of brownie shimmery shade. I'm just going to use that on my lid. And now I was feeling like it was just a boring look for a video. I need to add something. That same fluffy brush and just kind of blend around. At least it's a little bit more interesting for YouTube. Work has been going really good as well. So I started a new job at the very end of May of this year, like 2022. And I've been really enjoying my new job, my new organization. So that has been a super great part of the last year as well. I'm just gonna curl my lashes with my eyelash curler. My boyfriend hates this mug because every time he's at my place, even before I had this mug, I used to just say my house, my rules, my coffee as a joke. And then I actually got the mug and he was not happy about it. I'm using a new mascara. This is Essence Hello Good Stuff Volume Mascara. I don't actually like it that much. I just started it obviously in October because I have been really good at using my mascaras for only 3 months and then getting rid of it and starting a new one. I used to use mascara for like a year before, and then this year I've been so good at not doing that. So I'm just going to apply this off camera and then I'll be right back. And I'm just going to go in with a lip color. Normally I would just go in with a gloss or like a nude shade, but because I'm filming a video, I think I'm going to go in with this deep red shade from Colourpop. It's in the shade Soloist. It's one of their 24-hour matte lipsticks. Haven't used it, I don't think, since last fall. Oh yeah, I love this color. I still have to film my fall lipstick video. It's so late this year. Because I haven't even filmed it yet, and it's like October 7th. So I still need to film that, but I just love fall lipsticks. They are so fun, and they just look so, I don't know, they just give you like the Halloween spooky season vibe. I just love that. Anyway, that's the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little get ready with me. If it's a little bit rough, it's because it's probably the first time I filmed this since like June or even May. But I hope you guys enjoyed it all the same. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a great fall or autumn so far. Thank you for sticking around and for making my YouTube year so awesome as well. I didn't say that at the beginning, but I really wish I did. Thank you for subscribing and being a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.